We should start discussing pathologies and mechanisms of decay by defining the difference between degradation and alteration. Alteration is a change of the material which may not make it worse, while degradation makes the material to deteriorate. This distinction is critical in architectural conservation, and the intervention criteria should be based on it. The concept of patina is very important in conservation. It is an alteration of the surface of the material due to natural causes, providing a beneficial protection. The patina should be preserved from material aesthetics and historic points of view, as it protects the material and presents the history of the building. Many times, it is also necessary to apply a finishing to a material as an artificial patina in order to preserve and protect it. To understand the pathologies and mechanisms of decay in buildings, it is very important to understand how they are built in detail and where they are located. We should then proceed to investigate the specific mechanism of decay as follows: water movement, mechanical stress, chemical attack, biodeterioration, vibration, and the various combinations. Start by looking at the surrounding areas and the building ground conditions. Establish the structural arrangements. Identify the materials, type of stone, etc. Identify the investigations and testing to be carried out and the samples to be taken. In Subunit 2, we will define the methodologies and instruments for this. The roof should be looked at in detail from outside and inside to identify build-up and condition, including roof covering and flashings. Chemical action is only possible in the presence of water. Thereafter, we should consider the sources and movement of water. Depending on the types of water source, the building can present dispersed water, localized and fluctuating in height around the year, or groundwater table affecting all the building. This does not fluctuate during the year and is more severe in north and northeast exposures. The thicker the wall is, the higher the water will rise. As a consequence, we can have detachment of plasters, renders, and paintings, efflorescences, and biodeterioration. We will now look at some key materials under mechanisms of decay.